Welcome and thank you for visiting smartphonemoney.biz. My name is Adrian Zumbado and I created this page so I can bring you this information in a very simple way to show you how to make some extra money, some extra income on your already busy schedule. So I don't make this very long and get into the juicy information. I want to teach you something very quickly. Technology has changed the world and I'm sure you're aware of it. Right now, you're more likely seeing this right through your smartphone, a device that has allowed us to communicate and do things that we were unable to do before. Take a company like Uber, for example. They came in and then they disturbed the taxi industry. Netflix replaced the rental video business like Blockbuster, and Airbnb is also an application that disturbed the hotel industry. And all those and many other companies you're able to connect and use right through your smartphone. So why not have a business yourself that people can use and find you right through their smartphone? Now, this video you're watching, you'll have to agree that this video, this entire page, this entire information that you're learning right now will be the same information for every single person that comes to this site. That means that this video will play over and over and over again, providing the same information. So what you need is a system, a business that works for you 24/7 on autopilot, providing all the information, doing all the explaining so you don't have to. Simply direct people to that information and let the system do the work for you. Now that's working smart and not working hard. If you click the button below, it will show you a system that I use to generate some extra income so you can too. All it takes is for you to grab a cup of coffee, a snack, take a few minutes to learn, then take action and apply what you learn. Also, once you see the information entirely, but you still have some doubts, you still have some questions, at the very bottom of this page, you will see my information. Send me a message and let's talk. You can also follow me on some of my social media, like Instagram or YouTube. Once again, thank you for visiting my website, smartphonemoney.biz. Click on the button below so you can learn how to start a business with your smartphone, working for you 24/7 on autopilot. Talk to you guys later.